64 Old Cutlass Convertible, which is basically the beginning of the muscle car era, one with GTO. You can see it's got it lit up under the hood. It's getting dark out here, so we need to have some light anyway. So we've got a lot of chrome under there, and couple of series engine power, huh? Interior to match the exterior. You got a red interior, automatic transmission, tachometer mounted on like a miles per hour, and tachometer mounted on a steering column. Gauges mounted inside your console, instrument cluster. So that's all custom done. Actually better than the factory would have done. Black top. It's lowered, got low profile wheels on it.
Oh no, we still have our parts numbers. We still have our French.
Sweet how they got the, the interiors are actually matching the exteriors. Now, I don't do that today. Amazing 64. So this is 55 years old, and you look at it today and you're saying to yourself, it's a nicer looking car than what they're producing today. It tells you a lot. It tells you a lot right there.